Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. We are here today to share with you a bit of a tour of the retail space and a lot of the new things that we put in the retail space. And then we're also going to offer you a promo code, so stay tuned for that. All right, everybody, we are going to enter. We have all these fun things sitting outside so people know that we're open. We're also promoting our Vacation Bible School with this sign here. And then we've got a lot of fun things in the windows. Probably recognize this mermaid tail. We actually just posted a few more of those online. We have been clearing out some of the items from the old warehouse in hookedonpickin.com, way up there by our house. If you ever need our phone number to call us directly during store hours, you can always call this number, 618-588-5008. Let's go on inside, see what we got. We got our bargain bins here that we have some things. And I did mention to you guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip this around. Let me do a quick spin. Ooh, don't get dizzy. I did say to you guys I was going to give you guys a promo code. You actually don't even have to type anything in, but if you run over to hookedonpickin.com for these 2 days only, so today and tomorrow, you'll get 30% off every single thing in the hookedonpickin.com store. It's an automatic promotional that's going to be happening, and you'll see in your cart, once you put all the items in your cart, you'll see 30% off, and the code will be Beach 2024, because we are currently on vacation and currently at the beach. Tomorrow I'm going to be showing you a video of where we'll be staying, some of the waves, and our condo and all of those fun things. And so I'll be sharing a lot of that with you then. And so we're super excited for you guys to be able to get a discount and be enjoying yourself shopping while we're enjoying ourselves on vacation. The bonus is we still have a full crew at the store working and shipping, so you won't even have a delay in shipping with your order of your 30% off discount. So today and tomorrow only, you're gonna get 30% off. All right, let's continue the tour. All right, so we were here. We're got some swim shoes for kiddos, some UV light blocking glasses. We have these in the store, and so if you're interested in any of the items that you see, you can just send an email, and we will get to that on Monday. Monday and Wednesday are the days that we usually answer all of our emails, and so I just thought I would share that with you. So if you see anything in the store that you like, everything in these bins are 99 cents or $1. And so we've got lots of fun things in and throughout the store. Here's our front window. We got a bunch of wind chimes in the window. And then of course we've got our wind spinners. So just so you know, if you would like to order a wind spinner, we do make available these online, but we upcharge about $20 because of shipping cost. And so just be aware of that if you want to purchase one of these, it'll be about $20 more. But to be honest, it's still cheaper than what you could pay at Lowe's or Home Depot for these things. So if you're interested in any of those, you can just send us a screenshot. Just kind of pause it, take a screenshot, or give us a timestamp on the video and let us know a description, a really good description of the video of the wind spinner, and then we can get that to you and get that shipped out. It ships in the box that it's actually in. So it's very secure in there, though. We've never had any arrive broken. Here's our 4th of July section that we've got. Some of our outdoor stuff. Bug zappers, those are very, very handy. Trampoline sprinklers, some more of our 4th of July decor. There's the mermaid tails down there on the bottom. You got some grill things, just some more decor there, and of course red, white, and blue napkins, which are really fun. Then we have these here. These are really fun. Unfortunately, we cannot ship those because they're so huge, but they're double-sided. They say the home sweet home on one side and the welcome on the other. So you're getting kind of two for the price of one when you purchase those. Then we've got some more. We got to refill our wind chimes, actually. We're putting in an order so that it'll arrive while we're probably gone. So we got some home decor. We're going to swing around to this side, show you this here. We've got all of our kind of gift options. We're going to be starting to display some cards that I've got a lady making for me. One of our viewers actually is going to be making cards, and we'll be selling some of those in the store. Then we've got some of these items. Little shark tote bag, perfect for the beach. Got a cupcake stand. These are like little oil for like vinegar and oil. Got some purses there. Crossbody bags. We've got some Amazing Grace crosses. Got some Give it to God, a bunch of signs. Here, let me zoom out here so you can see them all at once. There we go. That way you can kind of get a good glimpse of those. Those are just simple little signs. I think we sold some on fire sales before, but if you want a specific one, just let me know. I'll zoom back in. We got some candles here. And some throw blankets. This is a really fun springtime puzzle. Then if we come over to this side, we got some cool decor pieces, globe, butterfly, some tiered candle holders, kind of vintagey looking. Then we've got some candles, other decor pieces, pray, trust, wait, and then family, faith, friends. Got some lanterns. Unfortunately, these break in shipping very easily, so we sell them only in the store. And we're actually, you probably have already seen the video, we'll be putting maybe some of those things in our flea market space. So that's another option. Probably a lot of this kind of stuff will go in our flea market space too. Kind of has that fun vintage feel. Love the baskets. I actually just had someone call me about the Mizzou bags today. We've got some fun little sayings. This would be a great Coach gift there, that blue one. So you see this Cubs one. We have Chicago Bulls, and we also have St. Louis Cardinals. So these are little crackle vase with lights. It actually has tea lights you can put inside. These are jewelry holders for necklaces. Really cool vintage jewelry holders. Some more of this stuff here. And we're around the bend. We have all of these Jelly Bellies are currently online. Got a little candy section. We have some of these 6-lit chocolate candies online as well. So fun things here. We got our Amish jams and jellies. Our little packs of Amish jams and jellies. These are mustards and jellies. Or butters. Sorry, butters. And this is a whole butter pack. And we've got some, look at that, apple cinnamon jelly. Yummy. Got some cereals here that are not outdated. We've got all our stationery here. Let me just zoom out here. Then we've got some wall decor here and some larger items. We've got 3 of these stained glass sunflower panels. Got that giant clock. Pretty neat. We've got all these socks here. Hats. Our jewelry cases. You see a lot of our jewelry on our auctions. This is all stainless steel jewelry. We always have this sign up here too, so when people come in they see that we're available to be seen. This is all of our school wear for our local school. And then Rylan actually did these. She engraved these on the water bottles. So all sorts of fun things. We've got our fun Squishmallow. Wow, that's been decimated. We definitely got to refill that. Some microfiber cleaning towels. These are added online. We did not do an unboxing of that, but we do have some. I'm gonna have to take one of these home because we just got a volleyball, so we'll have to take one of those home and inflate the volleyball. Got all sorts of games, toys here. This is kind of our toy section. But if you've noticed, we've hired Faith, and she is officially the store stocker, and it's been very full. So she's been doing a great job getting stuff out to the store. Then we've got a spin around here. We'll see the other side here. We'll just go across like we did. That kind of worked. Ray of the Last Dragon stuff, some Super Soakers, fun toys, some more little figurines and toys, little torpedo sharks. This is like a nice basket container, like a toy box type thing, magnetic. So we've got a bunch of those. And then we'll swing around to this front window here. This is kind of home decor. There, menu, eat it or go hungry. I had someone ask me about these You Are My Sunshine signs. So if you ever want something, like I said, from the store, just let me know. Faith, family, friends. And here's our kitchen section. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth along the top row, middle row, bottom row, so you can see all of the items that we have. Scrapers, spatulas, all of these things you can also find on hookedonpickin.com. Most of our kitchen items are reduplicated there. So definitely, this is our best seller, to be honest. This is what we sell the most of. We got some Gibson grill home. We've sold quite a few of those. Love You to the Moon and Back. Fun things. And we discount the items if they sit there longer than 2 months. So that's kind of one of the things that we do in our retail space to get things moving. Got some oven mitts here. We do have some other oven mitts online. Okay, we're going to swing around here, show you some of the things on this side. Got some towels and some wooden bamboo kitchen utensil sets. And then we'll just walk down these two shelves here. 25% off, red and orange tags. So those are the ones that are over 2 months old. Like I said, if you see anything in here, we will try to make it available for you. You just got to shoot us an email at hookedonpickin@gmail.com. And we try to do that. We've got some Martha Stewart ladles here. We got some nail clippers with magnifying glasses on them. Here's our whole makeup section here. Try to keep that available and seen by the register because it's a lot of little tiny things. And then, although we live in a small town, it's not too bad. Don't have to worry about customers. We got some more wind spinners up there. We got a Scott. This is a paper towel dispenser. We've got a snowboard thing. A little bit of more seasonal type things there with that snowboard. Look at those fun spatulas. How fun are those? So, got all of this stuff here. Kitchen tongs. Whole box of those. Needless to say, when I have something that breaks, I usually come and get it. Like, I need to grab one of these for myself. So I love these things. Meat choppers. Great for working in even your Teflon pans. So more of that stuff there. Some books, Band-Aids, cute little bear sets, mini football, which is soccer, and some more of those microfiber pads, some pillows, really cute decorative pillows, heated blankets. We have both of these online, so check those out. We have a lot of quantity of those. They have the pocket. See the pocket where she's got her hands? So got a little toolbox down there, some glassware here, projection lamp. This is, I don't know if you've ever used one of these, but these are amazing. This is a bed like tucker. So like it lifts the bed so you can get the fitted sheet and stuff under. We got the little space-saving hangers. We've got a weed whacker and a little cute doghouse. And all these are available. Most of them are online. Some umbrellas. We got our blue light glasses and then sunglasses. Then we've got some home decor here. Usually I kind of run through the store real fast, so I thought I'd just take my time today. And then we've got all of these here. Cute little garden type things. String lights for solar. Bird feeder. This is our pet section here. I think it's funny that they put these here because I always think about people like trying to train their cat or dog or something. I don't know if you like to do that or not, but then here is all our tools. And then we've got more jewelry in this section here. Those are really pretty necklaces, kind of that metallic look. Some more longer ones we got. We may put some of those on the sale. And then we got our bloom chick here that we sell. And a lot of these, actually, this is where we pull it from to sell on the sale. And we do have overflow behind the curtain there too. Got some more jewelry here. All of that. I love this one right here. It's one of my faves. I just love that color. And then we have all of our wind chimes up here. So that is the whole store. Oh, I don't think I went here. Here's our new arrivals table. So we got some stuff out for Father's Day. and some solar lawn care things. So, all right, so there is all of the fun things that we have on today's video. And don't forget that promo code again. It is 30% off. All you have to do is go straight to hookedonpickin.com, and the sale, I believe, is Friday and Saturday only. Friday and Saturday only of the end of June here, and we're going to go ahead and give you 30% off everything in the entire store. So it's a great time to go ahead and purchase things that you've been looking at for a while, because you're automatically going to get that 30% off. No need to even put that promo code in. And just as a reminder, your total needs to be over $100 to earn that free shipping, even with the discount. Okay, so if you get to your cart and the discount automatically drops to below 100, go ahead and add a few more things so you get that free shipping in the lower 48 of the United States. If you're international, you still get the 30% discount. Unfortunately, shipping is the only thing we cannot discount. So thanks so much for joining us, and of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.